Hi guys, welcome to this session. So in this session, we'll talk about the audience attributes, how you can use them. So let's have a look at it on the platform, how we can set up this particular audience targeting. So once we are on the campaign, we can go to the campaign settings page by editing the campaign. And this will bring us to the campaign settings page, as you can see here. And right beside location targeting, we get to see our audience targeting part as well, where we can look at audience attributes. In audience attributes, like we spoke about it earlier as well, so these are the 5 categories in which you can target your audiences. So let's look at this. So under company, you will see subcategories like company category, company connections, follower of, growth rate. Let's say you want to target those companies whose growth rate has been between, let's say, 5 to 10%. So then you can choose that in this particular manner. You can choose the particular growth rate of a company. Let's say you want to go ahead and use a particular, you can also look at company names. So let's say you're looking for a company name in this particular manner. You can select the names of the company as well and target. Going forward, then you have demographics where you can target based on the member's age and gender. So let's say I want to target people over here between 35 to 54. Gender is both male and female. So we can do that. Then in education, you have degrees, fields of study, and member schools. So in degrees, again, you can search for degrees. Let's say we're looking for MBA. Fields of study. So we are saying, let's say marketing. In this manner. Then you can say member schools. Okay. So let's say members of, let's say, Harvard. So now you are targeting a specific kind of demographic of people who are possibly from Harvard, who are doing a MBA in marketing, possibly. That is the kind of audience you would like to target with these settings. So you can understand like this, you can create an audience profile whom you would like to target your LinkedIn ads with. Other than this, you have job experience. So under which you get multiple options like job functions, seniorities, titles, member skills, years of experience. So let's say we are looking at years of experience of anywhere between 5 to 10 years. And then let's say the functions we are looking at is, again, marketing. So you can give all these specifications based on which audience targeting can be done. Lastly, you have interest and traits, so in which you get member groups, member interests, and traits. So in groups, again, you can search for, if you have any groups created, then you can search for those. Members interest, general interest, product interest, service interest. So let's say service product interest. We can say software, enterprise software, traits. Okay. In traits, you can choose from all these options which you get, which is career changers, people who have been career changers, expats, frequent contributors, frequent travelers, okay, which can be domestic or international. So you can choose in this manner. Open to education, open to relocation, recently promoted, recently relocated. Okay. All these can be options which you can consider. You can see these are the kind of audience targetings you will be able to reach out to with the help of LinkedIn ads platform. So this is how audience attributes are going to be, and this is how you can add them, and you can create an audience profile whom you would like to target with your LinkedIn ads. I hope this makes sense. Thank you so much, guys, for listening to this, and I will see you in the next video.